Last month, I went on a trip to the beach with my family. We were very excited. We packed our bags with clothes, snacks, water, and a camera. Early in the morning, we got into the car and started our trip. The weather was sunny and warm. On the way, we saw trees, houses, and animals. We listened to music and talked. After 2 hours, we arrived at the beach. The sea was blue and beautiful. The sand was soft and warm. First, we walked along the beach. Then, we went swimming. The water was a little cold, but we had fun. We played with a ball and made a big sandcastle. We also collected some seashells. At lunchtime, we sat under an umbrella and ate sandwiches, fruit, and cookies. After lunch, we rested and watched the waves. In the evening, we watched the sunset. It was very beautiful. The sky was orange and pink. Before we went home, we took many pictures. I was a little tired, but very happy. It was a great trip. I want to go again soon.